Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on wireless emergency alerts in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So, where to look for this function and how to enable it. First of all, we need to open our phone's settings. Then we need to scroll to notifications. Next, we need to open advanced settings. And now we need to scroll all the way down to wireless emergency alerts menu. And here we have some alerts that we can pretty much pick and choose whatever we want from here. And here is our switch. So all alerts can be enabled by simply tapping this function. All alerts on, all alerts off. We want them all on. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.